Life on another planet. Many people wonder if there is life on another planet far from Earth. Scientists look at the sky and study planets with big telescopes every day. They want to find places where living things could grow and survive. A planet needs air, water, and the right temperature to have life. So far, no one has found people or animals living on other planets. But the question remains, are we really alone in the universe? Some planets are too hot, and others are too cold for life to exist. Mercury is very close to the Sun, so it is too hot for anything to live there. Neptune is very far and freezing, with strong winds and storms. Mars is one of the planets that may have had water in the past. Scientists have sent robots to Mars to look for signs of life. They are trying to learn if something small ever lived there long ago. Many scientists believe that life might exist in another way, not like humans or animals. Maybe small bacteria or tiny life forms live under the ground or in ice. Some moons of planets like Jupiter and Saturn have oceans under the surface. These oceans may be warm enough to support life in the dark. It is hard to know because those places are very far from Earth. But every year, space missions bring new information and hope. If we find life on another planet, it would change how we think about the universe. People would know that Earth is not the only special place with life. It would also help us understand more about science, nature, and our own planet. Some dream that one day humans will visit or even live on another world. This dream helps people work hard and build new technology. Life on another planet is still a mystery, but one day we may find the answer.